In this video, I want to show you how to load the ink and how to install the print heads in your HP SmartTank 6001 printer. So let's start by filling up the ink. First thing, obviously, is to remove them from the packaging. Next step is to open the top panel of the printer. You're gonna notice on the side there's a small gap and pull up. If it's the first time you're using this printer, you're gonna notice a cardboard over here that you need to remove. Over here we have the black ink tank, and here we have the three colors. Let's start with the black. You're gonna first open this lid and then open the second lid. Take the black ink bottle. We're gonna unscrew the cap. And now it's time to place it facing down right over here. Don't worry, the ink will not make a mess if you're not precise at first. As you see, there's no ink coming out of the bottle. So just take your time, all right? Make sure you align properly the nozzle of the bottle with the ink tank over here. And once you are over it, simply press down the bottle over here. You're gonna hear a click, and at the same time, you're gonna start hearing the ink going from the bottle in the ink tank. If we take a look over here in the front, you're seeing the ink being filled up. So at this point, just be patient. It takes around, I would say, 45 seconds for the ink tank to fill up completely. Okay, the ink tank has filled up completely. I don't hear any ink going out of the bottle. I can now remove it. To remove the bottle, simply pull it out. You can place back the lid on the bottle, but since there is no ink left in the bottle, you can recycle it right away. Close this lid and then close the other one. Now let's continue with the three colors. Open the lid and let's start with the yellow one. Open the yellow lid and simply do the same exact thing. Unscrew the bottle, place it exactly the nozzle over the ink tank, and once you over it, simply press down. Again, there is no ink left in the bottle since we have completely filled up the ink tank. The magenta, and finally we have the cyan. If you notice that the ink stopped filling up, you can gently shake the bottle like this to unclog it. At the end, close everything and close the lid simply by bringing it down gently. Now you have to wait a few seconds. As you see, the printer, it's doing its thing over here. So if you see these things blinking, these are the print heads that needs to be replaced or installed for the first time. To install the print heads, we're gonna first remove them from the packaging. And by the way, I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to buy new replacement ink for this printer or new print heads, so check them out. We have one color ink print head and one black ink print head. It's important to not mix them up. You're gonna open again the top lid. This is where the print heads are going. As it says over here, the color one goes on the left and the black one on the right. It's very important. Again, we need to open this compartment. How do you do it? Well, you need to press on this blue latch and at the same time, okay, remove the lid like this, open the lid. If there is an orange piece of plastic it needs to be removed. This piece of plastic is only here during the shipment of your printer. And as it says over here, throw it in the trash. So let's start with the color print head, the one with the magenta top. You're going to remove this orange protector. And on the other side, you're going to remove this plastic film that is over the print head. Peel it out. To install the print head, you simply have to put it in this position and then press over here. Okay, make sure it's well inside, and do the same thing for the black ink print head. Remove the small protector and peel this tape. Place it this way, okay, with these contacts facing away from you, like that. And now simply, whoops, let me do it better over here. Simply push it down. Okay, once everything is in place securely, you can now close the top lid. Make sure it clicks in place, and now lower this panel. Now you just have to wait. It can take a few minutes. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, leave a like, but also comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.